Hello everyone, welcome back to ICT class. In last class we saw about windows and what is the windows, how we can change wallpaper. So all these things we saw in our last class. Okay. So today what we are going to see? We are going to see about MS Word, that is Microsoft Word. So what is this Microsoft Word is? So Microsoft Word is a word processing software which was developed by Microsoft. So what is Microsoft? Microsoft is an organization who developed this Microsoft Word. So why do we need Microsoft Word and what is this word processing software it means? So word processing software is nothing but if you are typing something in your computer, to make it align, to make it formatted in such a way that it looks good. So for that purpose we use our word processing software, that is our MS Word, for making it align. So for alignment and for formatting and for editing we use this Microsoft Word. Okay. So not only Microsoft Word, we have other word processing software also, but this Microsoft Word is most widely used everywhere. Okay. And today we are going to see Microsoft Word 2010 version. Okay. So many version of Microsoft Word is available, but currently in this class we are going to see about Microsoft Word 2010. Okay. So when we are writing something, that is when we are typing in something in your computer, if you want to format it, so with the help of our MS Word, as I told earlier, with the help of our MS Word we used to format it, we used to edit it. Okay. So how to open this MS Word? For opening it, first and foremost we need to click start button, and from start button you need to choose all program option. From all program option you need to choose MS Office. From MS Office you will be having MS Word and you need to select MS Word, and after clicking it, it will get open. That is your Word document file, that is your Word software, MS Word software will get open. Okay, so this is the way you need to open MS Word. Okay. So next we will see what are the components that are available in our MS Word window. Okay. So in MS Word 2010 we have following components. The first and foremost thing is our title bar. So title bar contains the title of the document. So whatever name you are giving to the document will be shown in your title bar. And at the rightmost corner of the title bar you have close button, maximize button and minimize button. So if you want to minimize the window you need to click minimize button. If you want to maximize window you need to click maximize button. If you want to close your document then you need to click close button. Okay. So this is the use of minimize, maximize and close button. Okay. So our title bar contains title of the document, and at the rightmost corner we have three buttons, that is minimize button, maximize button and close button. I hope it is clear. And other than that, what do we have? We have a quick access toolbar. So as the name suggests, the quick access toolbar contains a tool which is used for quick access. So if you want to use some tool which you need for quick access, then you can just ping it in your quick access toolbar, so that by clicking it you can able to access that tool. Okay. Okay. So the next component that is available is our file tab. So file tab will have list of options like save, we can create new document, and if you want to open an existing document, so all those things, all those menus will be available inside our file tab. So by choosing it we can do the following operation. Okay. So that is the use of our file tab. So the next one is our workspace. So workspace is a blank area with which we use to work. Okay. So whatever data or whatever content that you want to type in your MS Word, so where do we type them? We type them in our workspace. So workspace is a blank area where we give our content. Okay. So that is where we type our content in MS Word. Okay. Cursor. So cursor is used to locate the position where you want to type. Okay. So that is, cursor is nothing but a blinking line. So if you want to type something to a particular location, then you need to place your cursor there, and after that only you can type. So at the time only it will be coming in a correct position. So cursor is mainly used to locate the position of the text you want to type. Okay. Next is the status bar. So this status bar contains word count, word count, page number, cursor position. So all these things will be appearing in our status bar. So what does the status bar have? It have word count, page number and our cursor position. So all these things will be shown in our status bar. Okay. And then the scroll bar, as I told in previous class, scroll bar is mainly used to move up and down. So if you want to move your cursor to up position, or if you want to view first initial top portion of your document, then you can scroll up and you can view that portion. And similarly, if you want to see the bottom portion of your document, that scroll down and you can view this bottom portion also. So for it we use scroll bars. Okay. So scroll bar is mainly used to move up and down of the document. Okay. And then we have ribbon. So the ribbon have list of tabs which is used to perform several different operations. So as I told you before, this file tab, and then we have home tab. So all different kinds of tab will be available in ribbon. So which is used to perform different operation. Okay. So all the different kind of operation will be given to the different tabs, and those different tabs will be residing in our ribbon. Okay. As I told you in last class, so can you able to see this? This is our start button. Okay. So can you able to see this? Either by clicking this you can choose MS Word, or by typing here straight away you can choose MS Word. I am just clicking it, I am double clicking it. So my Word document is open now. Okay. So can you able to see this? This is the title bar, and here we have three buttons, that is minimize button, maximize button and close button. So minimize button is used to minimize your window, and if you want to maximize it, then again if you by clicking it you can maximize it. Then if you want to close it, then by clicking it you can close your window. Okay. So this is the title bar and these are buttons, and this is a quick access toolbar. So in which we have the tools which is used for quick access. Okay. And then the next thing that we are going to see is typing text. So how do we type text? So that I will show you in my computer, so it will be more clear for you. Okay. So we can type text with the help of our keyboard. Yes, this is a workspace. So workspace area where you can enter your text. So I am just typing hello everyone. So can you able to see this? So this is a text I am typing. So if I want to type my text, I need to place my cursor in appropriate position. How are you? So I need to place my cursor in appropriate position, and then I can type my text. Okay. So this is a cursor, and this is a workspace. Okay. I hope everyone is getting. Okay, and below to that we have a status bar. So what is there in status bar? It is used to show number of pages, and this is used to show number of words that is there, and this is a default language which you are using in your document, and this is used to zoom in, zoom out. For that purpose we have this. Okay, and this is a scroll bar which is used to move up and down. If you want to move to the top portion, you can just scroll up. If you want to move to the bottom of the document, you can just scroll down. So this is the way you can move your area which you want to see. Okay, so I hope it is clear. Formatting is nothing but changing the way how your text appears in your document. Okay, so why do we need formatting? So for different kind of documents we need different kind of text. So for that purpose we use formatting. Okay, so this formatting can be done by changing our font style, our font size, or font color. So all these things, if you change it, then our formatting will get differ. Okay, and you can able to bold your text, you can able to make it as italic, and you can able to underline your text. So all these things can be done with the help of formatting. So where do we have this formatting option? So all these formatting options will be available in your home tab. Okay, I hope it is clear. And if I want to format it, that is if I want to change the font, I can just select it. So and can you able to see this? These are the different type of fonts that are available. Okay, so if I want to select this font, so I'm just clicking it. So can you able to see my text got formatted. Okay, so and if I want to make it bold, I can make it bold. If I want to make it underline, by just clicking I can just underline. If I want to make it italic, by just clicking I can make it italic. Okay, if I want to undo the same thing, so if I double click it, it will get removed. Okay, so similarly, if I want to increase my font size, so by choosing that, this is also possible. So if I want to change my font color, so by choosing this, I change my font color. So in this way you can do formatting. Okay, so this is the formatting thing. So formatting is available. So this is a font and this is a font size. These are bold, italic, underline tab, and this is a font color. Okay, and we have this is to increase a font size, this is to decrease a font size. So these are the tools that are available in our home tab. Okay, I hope everyone is getting. Next one is saving our document. So how we can save? So as everything is done, so we need to save our document. So how do we save them? By clicking file, save as option. You need to give some title to your document and you can save your document. Okay, so if I want to save my document, I can just do Ctrl S. So I just click Ctrl S. Can you able to see here? I can give the name of the document. Okay, so instead of doing that, I can just choose file. From file I can choose save as option. So here I can give the name as demo3. Okay, so I'm giving some name and I'm saving it. So the name which I gave has appeared in my title bar. Can you able to see this? So my file is saved now, so I can use it later on. Okay, so if you want to open a new document, that is your blank documents, how do we open them? So again, by choosing a file tab, if we click that file tab, a menu will be opened, and in that you can choose open option, and from open option you can create a blank document. So by clicking it, a blank document will be created. Okay, so if you want to open an already existing document, that is if you are working in some file, you have closed it, again if you want to open it, that is if you want to reopen it, so how do we do that? The same procedure follow. Again you need to click the file tab and then you need to click open option. So after clicking the open option, you can browse it from the computer, which location you have saved it already. So you need to click your document and you can open the document. Okay, so this is the way you open already existing document. Okay, and also you can open your recent document also. So for opening recent document, again from file tab you need to click recent tab. So this recent tab will show the list of documents that you have recently used. So in that you can select the document whichever you need. Okay, so this is a different way of opening files. Okay, so if I want to open a new document, how I can open it? File, open. If I press that, so this shows existing document. So I can either double click it, so open that. And if I want to open a new document, again I can file, new, and here there is option called blank document, and just if I click create, my new documents gets created. Or I can use Control N shortcut also. So this is a new document which got created. And if I want to open my recent document, so whichever I did now, so my recent document is demo33. So can you able to see this? My recent document is visible here. If I double click it, I can open it. So this is a way you open your recent document. Okay, and if you, after doing all your editing, all your formatting, you can print your file to the paper. So how do we print them? So that option is also available. So you need to, from file, you need to select print option. From print you need to select the range of page that you want to print, and after selecting that you can just press print. Okay, so similarly if you want to print your document, again if you click the file button and then if you choose this print option, so it will show this is a print preview, that is the preview before you print. Okay, so based on this you can select your printer setup. You can just print, you can just do printer setup and you can just print. Okay. So this is the way you print your document on paper. I hope everyone understood. So for all these things we have shortcut options also. For example, if you want to save a file, then we can press Ctrl S. So by pressing both the key Ctrl and S simultaneously, you can save a file. Okay. And also if you want to open a file, you need to click Ctrl and O. If you want to print a file, you need to click Ctrl plus P. That is, you need to press both the Ctrl key and P simultaneously so that you can print the document. Okay. So what are the things we saw today? We saw what is MS Word. So what is MS Word? MS Word is nothing but a word processing software which is used to edit, format the text documents which you want. Okay. We saw how to open a new document, we saw how to open a already existing document also, and we saw how to save a document, and we saw how to print a document also. I hope everything is clear to you. So now let's move on to our book back exercise that we have. Okay. So please take page number 44, tick the correct answer. Which of the following would you do in MS Word? So what are the things we will do in MS Word? We do word processing. Okay, so you need to take word processing. Which buttons helps you access basic commands like open, create, save, etc. So which has this open, create, save, etc. So all these things is available in our file tab. Okay, so you need to tick file tab. In which part of the MS Word window is the title bar is located? So where do we have title bar? So title bar will appear on the top of our window. Okay, so you need to tick top. Which of the following display information like page number and cursor position? So where do we find this information like page number and cursor position? So it will be appeared in our status bar. So where do we have status bar? Our status bar will be there at the bottom of our window. Okay. Which button is used to hide the window by a single click? So if you want to minimize your window by a single click, which button is used? We use minimize button. So you need to tick minimize button. It is a small blinking vertical line on the workspace. So which is a small blinking vertical line? That is our cursor. So you need to tick cursor. Okay. Next we will move on to the next exercise, fill in the blanks. Dash is the area in the document where you enter text. So which portion we enter text? In our workspace we enter text. So the dash helps you to quickly find the command to work in MS Word. So a ribbon is used to quickly find the command that we work in a MS Word. Okay. The dash helps us to see the part of the document lying outside the frame of the window. So which is helps us to see the other part of the document that is lying outside. So that is our scroll bar. Okay. So by scrolling it up or scrolling it down, we can just view the other part of the document. Okay. So scroll bar is the answer. So write the shortcut keys for the following. Open a new file. So if you want to open a file, open a new file means what you need to do? You need to press Ctrl plus N. Okay. So for opening a new document, you need to press Ctrl plus N. Okay. So for opening a new document, what shortcut key you need to use? You need to use Ctrl plus N. That is, you need to press Ctrl key and as well as you need to press N. Okay, and open a saved work file. So already it is saved, and if you want to reopen it again, so at that time what shortcut key we use? We use Ctrl plus O. So if you want to save a file, for saving a file what shortcut key we use? We use Ctrl plus S. Okay. So at page number 46 we have a fun time activity. Using the clue, fill in the different parts of MS Word window in the puzzle game. So in puzzle game, they have given the clue and you need to fill in the different parts of MS Word that we find. Okay. So here they have given the clue. So based on the clue, you need to fill it here. So this is a homework for you. So I hope you understood this. So here they have given clue and here they have given puzzle. So based on this clue, you need to find the answer and you need to solve this puzzle. Okay. I hope it is clear to you all. I hope more on Microsoft Word chapter is clear to you all. Kindly go through your text and we will see you in the next class.